Everything was great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But flight was very excellent, very good plane, very good food, very welcome India, very welcome Goa. I'm happy to be here.
We are trying past 3 years to bring one new destination to Goa. Okay, today is that success happened. Okay, Uzbekistan flight coming to Mopa already arrived. 64 passengers. Okay, in first flight because last minute some confusion was there. That's why our airline and this charter people, they not put more tourists to this flight. Okay, next flight onward it will become full. And we are expecting all high-end tourists to Goa. Okay, Tashkent and Uzbekistan, okay, all high-end tourists are coming.
And total flights will be 16 till March 2024. आमचे गोयचे डेलिगेशन उझबेकिस्तानात गेल्ले प्रमोट करपा लागून ताशकंद तेन्ना डेलिबरेशन्स जाल्ली मागीर लोकल एजंट जो आसा गोयचो कोंकण ओएजीस तांणी तांचे कडेन डिलिंग केलें आनी अविया एक एअरलायन्स आसा उझबेकिस्तानान सो तांचे कडेन टायप केलें आनी आमचे ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टर मानादीक श्री रोहन खंवटे तशेंच आमचे एम्बेसिडर ऑफ इंडिया इन उझबेकिस्तान मनीष प्रभात. So everybody has contributed to bring this flight to Goa.